Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to start accepting payments smoothly on your Shopify store using Stripe? In this updated 2025 tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process to connect Stripe with Shopify, even if you've never done it before. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to make the connection, but also why each step matters, so your online business can run more professionally and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First up, open your Shopify admin and head straight to the Settings section on the bottom left. Settings is the nerve center of your Shopify store. It's where you control everything behind the scenes, and payment solutions live here too. Next, from the Settings menu, find and select Payments. This is where Shopify lists your payment providers. If you already have a provider set up here, which most stores will, don't worry. You won't lose any information going forward. Now, look for your current provider listed under Payment Providers and give it a click. What happens here is you'll see an option to change provider. Don't be afraid to use this. Changing your provider is a normal part of store management, especially if you're moving to a preferred service like Stripe. Think of this like swapping out an old credit card processor for a new one. Same data, just a new route for your customer payments. So, click on Change Provider. A search bar will appear, allowing you to look for Stripe. Start typing Stripe, and you should see it pop up among the available options. Select Stripe to begin the installation process. Now here comes a key point. The install process typically has two stages. First, you'll click Install, and then Shopify will double-check that you really want to connect Stripe as your payment solution. You'll need to hit Install one more time as confirmation. This might seem repetitive, but Shopify does this to ensure you're absolutely certain about the change. You don't want unexpected payment disruptions, especially during busy sales periods. After confirming the installation, Shopify will redirect you to Stripe's connection page. At this stage, you'll log into your Stripe account and grant Shopify access. If you don't already have a Stripe account, now's the perfect time to create one. It only takes a few minutes. Stripe will guide you through their security checks and ask for some basic info about your business. Don't worry if you're prompted for extra verification steps. Stripe takes privacy and fraud prevention seriously, which is good news for you and your future customers. Once you've connected and completed the setup, you'll be routed back to Shopify. And here's the best part. You're all set. Your Shopify store is now officially linked with Stripe, so you can process payments securely, quickly, and with that professional polish that makes customers feel confident buying from you. Take a breath and give yourself a quick pat on the back. Connecting payment systems can sound intimidating, but now you've done it. If anything in the install or connection process took a few moments, that's totally normal. Tech likes us to be patient sometimes. If you run into any little roadblocks, double-check your login credentials and account information. And remember, both Shopify and Stripe are designed with lots of support resources if you need a hand. All right, that's the whole process. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about connecting Stripe to Shopify or anything else payment-related, drop them in the comments below. I do my best to answer every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, updated tutorials like this to help you build your business with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!